Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So it has been quite a while since we've done a Spooky Box Club unboxing, and I was kind of thinking that, but I was like, am I right? Am I imagining it? And then two boxes came in once, so I guess it has been a while. Now, usually you guys, I think I've spoken about before, I don't like doing double unboxings because I've always liked my channel, you know, for like every unboxing to have its own video and everything to be really like streamlined like that. But honestly, for one, I'm already just like behind on a lot of unboxing stuff because I always have that little voice in my head like, all you do is unboxing. So like, I'm always trying to sort of space them out, but then sometimes, you know, just content in general gets slowed down. So I am like behind on my unboxings, and because of that, this year I'm going to really try to get into like a sort of healthier work mentality of like, it's better to do something imperfectly than to not do it at all, you know? It's more important to just get something out there than to do it like perfectly the way I want to. So today we're going to do a double unboxing, and we're going to have a couple of double unboxings until I get caught up. But it just means double the fun. Literally the only reason for the single unboxings is my weird perfectionism issues, so I think this will actually be great. So the two themes are Wicked Wonderland and Lady Dracula, which is exciting. I just got these a couple of days ago, but Wicked Wonderland sounds sort of Christmassy, so I guess we'll open that one first and then we'll move on to Lady Dracula. I'm so excited, it's been so long, and I'm always like really interested to see if there's anything in these boxes that are like, because there often is, you know, where it's like, oh my god, I've needed one of those, so we'll see. Either way, we'll get some cute stuff, but it's always interesting to see if like, if it'll fulfill a very specific need of mine. So, Wicked Wonderland, here we go. Ooh, this is kind of what we're looking at right here. I'm gonna set aside the little table of contents so we don't spoil any of our surprises. Okay, so on top, there is some herbal hibiscus tea, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, caffeine free. Cool, okay, so let me have a little sniff. That smells nice. And it seems like the only ingredient is just the hibiscus, Roselle calyxis. And I think you can maybe make kombucha with this. I know traditionally you're supposed to use black tea, but I know some people use green tea, and I've seen some people in my kombucha group talking about making it with hibiscus tea. So I think I might stash that away until I'm ready to start trying to make my own kombucha. And if you can hear screaming, Jake is streaming right now. Screaming and streaming, so I don't know if it'll make its way up to the camera, but yeah, if you hear shrieking, it's because he's not doing well on a game or something like that. Anyway, I might stash this away, and then for whenever I start my own experiments in kombucha, I might try to use this. I'm in a very kombucha-ish place right now. Okay, next up, ooh, what are you? You have a little bow. Okay, so this looks like something knitted, but it also looks like it has a little velvety bow. Guys! Oh, these are super cute. Hold on, let me take off my rings. Okay. Oh, I hope my hands aren't too like giant for them. Oh, no, we're good. Oh! So it's like little sort of like fingerless gloves. It has, can you see the bow? I hope you can see the bow. There's like a little velvety bow there. And on the palm, there's like a little moon. That's so sweet. I'm gonna put these on right now because it is cold in the attic, which has not been helping my productivity, I have to say. Whenever it is this cold up here, I'm like, or I could stay downstairs where it's warm. But yeah, those are so cute. Oh my goodness, hon. Oh, and the little bows are so cute. Okay. Oh, and to go with the gloves, oh, little beanie hat. Oh, it's like fleecy inside. It's like knitted on the outside, and it has a little pom-pom and a little moon, but it's like fleecy on the inside. Can I do this without ruining my hair? Okay, no, if I pull it down properly, it's gonna ruin everything. But yeah, it's like a little small beanie with a thing. I have a giant head as well, so it means like it would ruin my hair even more so if I tried to put it on properly. But yeah. Oh, good, because it's cold, so we need these. Okay, actually only a couple of things left in the box, but we'll go through. So first of all, there is the lollipop. It's like a little blue and white one, very icy. And then we have, oh, that's cute. We have the pin, and it's, ooh, Season's Creepings, and it's a little like Christmassy skull. It's a little skull with like some holly and some mistletoe. It's super cute. And the whole thought of like the Christmas skull reminds me of Friends. I always loved that when I was a kid when Phoebe brings the Christmas skull over. But yeah, that's a cute little pin. There's also, I didn't even realize it, there's like one of these calendars. I think we might have got one of these last year. and it's just for the entire year. So that's cute. I like the colors. This was my favorite color combination when I was a kid. I was like obsessed with this. And there was like these videotapes that I used to watch. Like it was like, you know, like educational ones about animals, and I was obsessed with them because I was obsessed with animals. And like the mascot of the show was this lizard called Henry, and he was like green and purple, and I loved him because of that. But yeah, little look into my childhood there. And then finally we have something in a little box. Oh, this is a very dainty and simplistic little coffin pendant. That's cute. These make really nice layering pieces, you know, if you have like sort of like the bigger pieces and you have like a little daintier one hanging, so that is adorable. So let me just make sure we got everything. Custom made mysterious moon mittens, yes. Custom made cozy moon pom-pom hat, yes. Custom made seasons creepings enamel pin, 2020 spooky calendar print, Custom made coffin necklace, it's stainless steel, Herbal hibiscus tea sampler, yes, and lollipop, suitable for vegetarians, yes. Okay, cool. So that is everything in that box. So now on to Lady Dracula, which I'm excited for. This one has a bit more weight to it, I think, so we'll have to see what's in here. I have high hopes for this one. Let's see. Ooh, so that's what we're looking at. I will set this aside so we don't ruin anything. Ooh, okay, it looks like we have a lot of goodies in here. Good. So the candy in this one is a Cherry Tango Sherbet Shockers Cherry Flavor Sour Fizz Chew Bar, which is right here. So it's like, even thinking about eating that, you know, like you're like when you can feel your saliva glands, like I definitely get that whenever I look at anything like this. I'm like, it's going to be sour. But yeah, so it's like a little chewy, like fizzy sour bar. Now onto the real stuff. Okay, so first up, oh, that's cute. There is a little choker in here. I think I just caught a glomps of the pin. I caught a glomps of the pon. Glimpse of the pin. And I'm gonna try not to freak out until I look at it properly. We're gonna focus on this. This is so cute. It's a little, oh, let me take these gloves off so I can use my hands as a background for things. But I was warm. I think let's try to focus on Josephine instead of the choker. There we go. It's a super cute little choker with like little bat wings and then the little like O-ring. And that's cute. I was worried that wouldn't fit, but it actually fits with like plenty of space. But yeah, there's like, it goes around more than I thought it would, so that's good. But yeah, very cute. The pin, right, the pin! Okay, do you know what? I'm not even gonna say why this makes me so happy. You leave a comment and tell me if you know why this makes me so happy. This is a pin and it says, dead but delicious. I am going to be wearing this. As I said, you need to leave a comment and tell me if you know why I'm so excited about this. But yeah, it's an amazing pin with fancy font and bats and it says dead but delicious. And I do indeed go for a look that says dead but delicious. A look I call dead but delicious. Yes, 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 Spooky Box Club, you have done it. Okay. Next up is some sort of little charm by the looks of it. I wish my phone had a place for charms, but I might put this on my bag, because especially whenever I'm in like my Pokemon mood, because it's purple. And if you remember from some unboxings ago, me with my purple mood for my Pokemon mood, this would be perfect on my bag. So yeah, that's super cute. It's like glittery, it's a little bat, it has like a little charm thing, and that's adorable. Always need more little decorations like this. My battery's flashing at me and the other one's not charged yet and I'm going to scream. Okay. Oh, wait, what are you? How do you work? Okay, there's something cute. I'm just confused as to where it goes exactly. Well, it's this. It's this fantastic little bow with little wings. I don't actually even know what way up it goes. I thought they were hair clips, but now looking at the back of them, I'm actually not totally sure. I've never seen this type of thing before. Do they even bend? I'm afraid to break it. I'm not gonna mess around with these until I read the thing and figure out what they are and how they work. But whatever they are, they're very cute. And like, regardless of what they're for, you could definitely like repurpose them into whatever you need them for. So yeah, I'm excited to see what the actual intention of these is and how the strange little clippy jobs on the back work. Next up, there is something in a teeny tiny box. Oh, it is some really tiny little, hold on, tiny little coffin earrings. That's so cute. They're so little and dainty. And it would go with the coffin necklace from the last box. So yeah, that's adorable. So I still haven't really been able to switch these ones that I got pierced ages ago out, because I kind of got those with the intention of all these cute little earrings, but I don't know, they feel healed right now, but every like now and again they just get annoyed again, so I don't really know what's going on with them, but I've been too afraid to like put anything else in them for now. But the rings are cute anyway, but eventually. But I do have a single one over here that I can pop things in like this in, so. Next up is a big fabricy something on the top. Oh, okay, woo! Right, that's the rest, whatever this is the rest of the box, but it is huge, so let's see. Oh, please battery, hold out. Oh, it's a tote! It's like a coffin ship tote, I see. So yeah, it's kind of hard when everything is black, but yeah, it's like a big old coffin ship tote bag. What's it like on the inside? It has a nice zip, which is always good to protect your things. Ah, okay, and then the inside has like two sort of sections, like separated by a middle flap, and then it has a little zippy pouch in there as well. That's pretty cool. I feel like it could fit like a sketchbook and stuff in here as well, so it might be good for that kind of thing. But yeah, lovely. Always handy to have more like bags and stuff. What did I do? Oh, here it is. Okay, so we have the custom-made creepy coffin tote bag. Yes. We have the custom-made bat reflector keychain. Yes. We have the custom-made batty bow shoe clips. Oh, that's cute. Oh, shoe clips. What shoes could I put those on? I will have to think about that. That's cool. So yeah, they're shoe clips, but as I say, you know, if you wanted to use them for something else, I feel like it'd be super easy to attach like a hair clip or something on there instead, but shoe clips are interesting to me. Custom made bat wing choker, yes. Custom made dead but delicious enamel pin, yes. Custom made coffin studs, yes. And Tango Shocker's chew bar, yes. We got everything. Okay, good. So that was our double Spooky Box Club unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. Double the fun, double the stuff. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a little thumbs up, or if you just want to like give me a little like, hey, I'm here watching, give it a thumbs up. Do leave a comment. Like I said, let me know if you know why I'm so excited by the pin, but also just let me know whatever's on your mind. Things are falling. There it went. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, do feel free to subscribe. There are plenty of other videos on the channel to check out. We do these unboxings quite often, so do check back for those if that is what you're into. If you're not, there's other stuff too. And finally, before I go, I can't believe the batteries lasted this long. Finally, before I go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. That would be awesome. That would warm my heart. Almost enough to warm this cold ass attic, maybe. The link for that is in the description. Seriously, everyone who supports me on there, I love you so much. You are the best. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, lovelies!